Hey there! So we are here at a place called Veggie Chinese, which is known for its vegetarian Chinese food. They have multiple branches across the city, and currently we are at the branch near the Victoria Memorial Metro Station right out there. And if you can hear the traffic noise, it's because the roads are a little busy right now. It's around 1 o'clock, and we are here for lunch. I was craving somewhat Chinese stuff, like you know me, I love my crispy corn, and I was craving something like Manchurian fried rice and things like that. And Vishal loves his chop suey. Vishal, don't you love chop suey?
Yes.
So Chinese mein, I think Vishal absolutely adores chop suey, and probably anything like crispy and crunchy with the Chinese sauces kind of stuff. So we decided, why not give this place a try. Before coming down here, I had the chance to speak to Mr. Darshan, the person who manages all these veggie Chinese fast food. Unfortunately, he wasn't here at this point of time. But anyway, a shout out goes to him for giving us permission to shoot over here. And currently, since it's a little early, there aren't many people over here. Like, we both are the only people, and that's kind of good for us because it helps me, speak freely more than anything else. So that's a good thing. And from what I've seen, this place gets kind of crowded during the weekends. So one of the weekends we were just passing by, and we tried to come in, but it was a little crowded, so we skipped it that day.
Weekdays, usually during the 3 or 4 o'clock time, once the colleges leave,
colleges,
it gets crowded.
This is because it's in a road where there are multiple educational institutions. You see students coming here quite often, and the prices are also pretty reasonable. So saying that, let's tell you what we ordered. We ordered an American chop suey, a Manchurian fried rice or Manchurian rice, and then I wanted a crispy corn. Vishal wanted piri piri crispy corn. So we were like, okay, fine, let's try piri piri crispy corn. And the fun thing over here is they have multiple varieties and flavors of soda. So I ordered a kachi curry soda because I love the kacha aam flavor, and Vishal ordered a kala khatta soda. So I love kala khatta gola, so I think it's going to taste somewhat similar to that. So I'm just waiting for the food to come in right now. So we have our sodas with us. I have the kachi curry, and Vishal's kala khatta is also here. So let me give kachi curry a try. This is a flavor that I actually love. So the chop suey is also here as we speak, and I like the kachi curry. I'll try Vishal's kala khatta too in the meanwhile. It's really nice. Vishal, give it a try. You can see Vishal giving it a try too. Kachi curry?
A little spicier.
Yeah.
I like it.
I told you would like kala khatta. So kala khatta is one of my favorite flavors, and I wanted Vishal to try it. And kachi curry is also in the top 5 for me. So we have the American chop suey. So here we have the fried noodles, and also the gravy that goes into it. Let me just show it to you. Yeah, so this is how it looks like, and now let's give it a try. So I'm going to take the gravy and put it on the noodles. Do we need another spoon or something to eat? I feel like we're missing something. Can we ask for like a plate?
Plate या एक और spoon कुछ हो गया.
So we've asked for a few more utensils. I'm just going to serve the noodles and put the gravy on top. So here we have another bowl and this thing. So let me just divide the noodles first. So here we have the noodles divided, and now let me add the gravy to it. Smells nice, peppery. Has a lot of vegetables. That's a good sign. I really love the smell of it, like the light vinegary peppery smell that is coming off it is like it's really nice, to be honest. To be honest, I've never had a chop suey as such. I mean, even if I've had it, I don't remember it. Vishal, why do you like chop suey?
Just that mix of gravy and crispy noodles. It's a separate, like noodles we usually have it soft.
Yeah.
And those, watery, soupy kind of thing.
Yeah.
But there's something that is like a little more drier.
Okay.
And it's got that crunch to it. So
Okay, let me give it a try. Here I have the noodles. Yeah, it's very nice. The gravy is very, very nice. A chili sauce here. I think I'm gonna add some green chili sauce to this. Want some? It's not as spicy though. It's like
Yeah, chop suey-
mildly sweet.
chop suey is basically never spicy.
It's mildly sweet. It has pepper, but it's not spicy. It's really nice. Looking forward to the next dish. So we just received the amazing smelling piri piri crispy sweet corn. Looks really, really nice. And I can smell the piri piri probably from like a mile away. Vishal, what do you say?
I don't have anything to say. I'm hungry and I want to.
Can we ask him a little more onion? Yeah, sure. So we just divided the piri piri corn, crispy corn. Let me just try it without the lemon. Pretty good, a little garlicky for my taste, but it's still good. Nice and spicy. I like that. I think I'm gonna put some lemon juice on it. That's bound to make things a little more better. I like it with the lemon more. Vishal, you tell how is the piri piri sweet corn?
Nice and spicy.
The crispy corn is actually pretty crispy, and we have the veg Manchurian fried rice as well. So here it is. If you can see in all its glory, there's a whole bunch of Manchurian pieces. I'm gonna give that a try too. Here it goes. Vishal, you'll like it. It has that smoky. No, it has that smoky taste that you like.
I like veg Manchurian fried rice in general.
Yeah, in general, Vishal likes veg Manchurian fried rice, but this thing is like nice and smoky as well. I'm gonna continue eating this. Vishal, give the Manchurian fried rice a try and let them know what you think about it. It has that smoky aroma to it. Nice, it's not very spicy. Say something.
Nice. How do I say something when I'm eating?
You swallow it and then say something.
It is good. So what is this? It's got that the Manchuria ka taste which it's supposed to have. And the fried rice is not too dominating taste. It is like a good fried rice is what. Good.
So that's what Vishal thinks. I'm probably gonna just continue digging in, and I think it was a good decision to come here. So we've already gotten whatever we have ordered. And I can say Vishal loves the Kala Ghatta because it's nearly gone. And we're just gonna finish our lunch and hope you also drop by this location. I'll link the Zomato as well as the Google link to this location down below. And if you give it a try, do try out the piri piri crispy corn because we absolutely loved it. And there are so many other stuff on the menu that you can give it a try. One pet peeve that we both have is that whenever we go to a Chinese place, usually you have a whole lot of non-vegetarian food over here. We don't have a problem with non-vegetarian food and vegetarian food being served together, but sometimes they just overlap, wherein the non-vegetarian stuff comes into the vegetarian stuff, which we don't like. And this is a good place wherein it's completely Chinese food and all vegetarian. And it's something that it's worth a try. Even non-vegetarians, I feel, will come and like the food over here, because ideally the Indo-Chinese food that we are talking about over here, let's be honest, is veg dominated side in many cases. So I really like the food over here, and I hope you give it a try too. And see you all in the next one. Bye bye.